In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Meet account. Whether you no longer need it or you just want to streamline your online presence, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's important to note that deleting your Google Meet account means you're actually deleting your entire Google account, as Google Meet is integrated into your Google Services portfolio. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Meet webpage. Open your preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com. Hit enter, and this will bring you to the Google Meet landing page. Now, it's crucial that you're signed into the correct Google account. You can verify this by looking at the top right corner of the page, where you'll see a circular profile icon. Next, go ahead and click on your Google account icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you need to select the option that says Manage your Google account. This will take you to a comprehensive dashboard where all your Google account settings are managed. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. On this dashboard, you'll see several tabs on the left side of the screen. The one we are interested in is labeled Data and Privacy. Click on Data and Privacy to proceed. Here, you'll find various options concerning your personal data, privacy settings, and account management. Scroll down until you see a section titled Your Data and Privacy Options. It's in this section where you'll see the option to delete your entire account and data. Click on it. This step is irreversible, so it's crucial to make sure you've backed up any important information, files, or emails you may need from this Google account. After clicking on this option, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Google may ask for your password to ensure that the account deletion request is coming from you. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully. And just like that, you've completed all the steps necessary to initiate the deletion of your Google Meet account by deleting the entire Google account. It's important to remember that this action will remove access to all Google services linked to this account, including Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos, among others. If you're ready to proceed with deleting your Google account, confirm your action by following Google's prompts. So, that's how you can delete your Google Meet account, along with your entire Google account. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need more assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials.